In this video, I'll be showing you how to use multiplication to solve our sample problem. We'll be finding the area of the rectangles by using multiplication. Our sample problem reads, I want to create patchwork walls in my bedroom. I want each patch to be 6 feet by 4 feet. I want each patch a different color. What will be the area of each patch? If you notice, in all of the other videos, we've basically been creating arrays. Here's an array, here's an array, and we basically created an array by cutting our pieces into an array. For this method of solving, you really don't need to draw the rectangle, but I will draw it just to show you what exactly we'll be doing. We'll be taking the length measurement and multiplying it by the width measurement. So I'll write L for length times W for width equals the area of the object. And it'll tell you how much you will need, how much paint I would need to cover this entire rectangle. So length times width equals area. Our length was 6 feet. Our width was 4 feet. And the area is 6 times 4, so that will be 24. Just because we didn't draw squares this time doesn't mean it isn't square. So we have to put 24 square feet. Always remember your units. Not only is multiplication much quicker, it's also a little more practical sometimes. Making arrays by cutting or drawing or placing manipulatives can be quite useful and quite easy when you have a small number, have small numbers in your problem. However, what happens when you get a problem where you have maybe 25 inches and 60 inches? I'm sure you're not going to want to divide this rectangle into that many pieces in any way, shape, or form. So what you do is you simply take the length times the width, and it'll give you your area. So we're going to do 25 times 60. Actually, it should be 60 times 25, and that'll give us our area. But we're going to put 25 on top and 60 on bottom, because we know with multiplication, it doesn't matter which number comes first. And putting the 6 on the bottom will allow us to solve it easier. So we'll put the 0 here, cross out the 0, because it's just a placeholder. 6 times 5 is 30. Carry the 3. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 3. 13, 14, 15 is 15. 15. So the rectangle that was 25 inches by 60 inches is 1,500 square feet, or 1,500 square feet. Now, would you have wanted to put that together in an array, or would you rather do the multiplication? And it's really that simple.